All right, guys, welcome to Obsession Car Detailing. Check out this absolutely stunning Porsche Cayman GT4RS that we've just fully wrapped in Xpel Paint Protection film. Almost seamless, edge to edge. Patterns have been tweaked and modified. Look at how perfect that is. No edge there, absolutely wonderful. This there, wrapped inside there, wrapped there. Lovely. Wrapped inside there. Door, seamless. Normally there'd be a seam there, no seam. Back of the bumper just there, double wrapping there. Side skirts, double wrapping there. Double wrapping on this carbon intake. Triple wrapping here, because this, as you can imagine, would absolutely get hammered. So we triple wrapped it. Double wrapping on the headlights. Porsche headlights are not cheap, looking absolutely stunning. This color is ridiculous. It's a purple PTS color, Porsche paint to sample. In the sun, this looks just absolutely incredible. The pop, the metallic, the gloss, thanks to the PPF. Cannot say enough good things about this car. It has the Y-Sack pack, so it's got the cage, it's got the amazing bucket seats, it's got these beautiful gold wheels. If you want to find out anything else about our services or want to get in touch, please do so. And until then, stay protected.